Lonnie Johnson, a former NASA nuclear engineer, has transitioned from a traditional inventor to an expert in royalty engineering, securing over $100 million in intellectual property royalties and settlements. He utilized an asset-light strategy, licensing proprietary pressure system architectures to established corporations instead of controlling the capital-intensive manufacturing process himself. The core of his success? A broad patent architecture that creates a mechanical bottleneck. He didn't just patent a toy, he patented the underlying physics of an entire category. His $73 million victory against Hasbro was a masterclass in contractual engineering. It was a forensic accounting victory triggered by mandatory audit and arbitration clauses. Johnson now functions as his own venture capitalist, using toy rent to fund high-stakes moonshots in energy storage through Johnson Research and Development. He's replicating his success in the energy sector. By patenting a proprietary glass separator, he's positioning himself as a necessary partner for manufacturers like Tesla or BYD. Johnson R&D acts as a central hub, licensing core physics across multiple industries simultaneously without cross-contaminating his legal contracts, logic as a moat. The Edison blueprint is dead. Long live royalty engineering. Our BizCraft question: is it better to own the factory or the physics that runs it? Subscribe to Learning BizCraft.